This particular problem is very different than the ones that we've been looking at. Here we've been asked to determine if x equals -5 is a zero of this polynomial function. One way to do that would be to take the function and to factor it and actually find the zeros and see if -5 was a zero of the polynomial. The problem here is if you were to try to do that, this polynomial doesn't factor in any way that we have learned so far, so that would be very difficult for us to do. An easier way to do it is if a particular value is a zero, then if you evaluate the function at that number, you will get a result of 0. And so that's what we will do in this case. So basically here, take this x value and substitute it in for x in the polynomial. So f of -5 would equal -5 cubed plus -5 squared minus 17 times -5 plus 15. We want to evaluate the result on the right side. -5 to the third power is -125. -5 to the second power is +25. -17 times -5 is +85. And then we still have the 15 at the end. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of do this by pairs. I'm going to pair those two and these two. Doing that, -125 plus 25 would be -100. And then 85 and 15 is +100. And then if I add those two, I end up getting 0. Okay, so on here, just make a note. If 0 here, then yes, x equals -5 is a zero of f of x. So we've answered our original question. If you have a problem and this result does not end up equaling 0, then we've got a problem and the given number would not be a 0.